Welcome to the Sri Lanka's finest electrical engineering institution, Department of Electrical Engineering, University of Moratuwa. For decades, the department has stood at the forefront of engineering education, research and innovation in Sri Lanka. From its establishment in 1960s, the department continues to play a leading role in shaping the nation's technological landscape through rigorous academic training and industry-focused research. Our Bachelor of Science Engineering Honours degree in Electrical Engineering offers 3 specialized pathways: Smart Power Systems, Control and Automation Engineering, and Electrical Installations. Each pathway builds a strong theoretical fundamentals while keeping a clear focus on practical application and exposure to modern engineering challenges. Hands-on learning lies at the heart of our academic philosophy. Students engage with state-of-the-art laboratory facilities ranging from electrical measurements, power systems, electrical machines, power electronics, and computer systems. Advanced research facilities including LECO-UOM Smart Grid Research Laboratory and LTLPEB Electrical Machines Research Laboratory further supports deeper innovation and exploration. Specialized facilities including the High Voltage Laboratory, Robotics and Automation Laboratory, and Electrical Installations Laboratory further bridge theory and practice. Guided by strong academic leadership and a clear vision for the future, the department continues to redefine what it means to be an electrical engineer in the modern world.
Department of Electrical Engineering is the premier department in the country offering dedicated degree in Bachelor of Science of Electrical Engineering. Our program is focused on electrical power and renewable energy systems, building electrical systems and services, robotics and automation. We are proud to say that we have a team of senior professors, senior lecturers with the relevant postgraduate experience and industry research experience to deliver the program. In addition, we have recently upgraded most of the laboratories in alignment with that.
Life in the department goes beyond lectures and labs. Through ESOC, the official student society, students take part in technical workshops, the flagship Roundtable Conference, Prakampana where passion meets art, the Espire Career Fair, Alumni Gathering and Viera, the Department Cricket Match, and the International Research Conference ECON. Together, these events foster leadership, teamwork, and industrial engagement while nurturing a friendly and collaborative environment with lifelong connections for the students. Our Bachelor of Science Engineering Honours degree in Electrical Engineering is recognized under the Washington Accord and accredited by the Institute of Engineers Sri Lanka, reflecting internationally benchmarked standards of engineering education. The department also offers UGC-approved postgraduate programs, including the Master of Science in Electrical Engineering, Master of Science in Electrical Installations, Master of Science in Industrial Automation, and the Postgraduate Certificate in Industrial Automation, providing advanced pathways for specialization and professional growth. This is where passion meets purpose and challenges become breakthroughs. Here, we the engineers dream, build, and lead power in the world of tomorrow.